Has it ever happened to you to permanently delete important file just before a presentation? Sometimes mistakes happen. Fortunately, there is a way to solve that. In this video we are going to see two ways how we can recover permanently deleted files in Linux Mint and Ubuntu. This video is based on an article which is going to be shared in the description below, and you can find all the steps with images. The first way is using UI tool called rlinux, and the second one is using a command line tool, TestDisk. So let's start with the first way. You can download rlinux from the official page. You need to select the version, and the installation is pretty simple. Once it's installed, we can start it from the Linux Mint menu. Then we need to select a disk, which can be selected by label or size. In my case, I would like to recover files from this disk. Then I need to open Drive Files. It's going to take a while depending on the disk size and the number of files on that disk. Then we need to select a folder and files which need to be recovered. They are marked with a red cross. We can select several by using Shift and then press button Recover. Then we need to select output folder, and finally we need to press OK. If there is a file which has the same name in the output folder, we will get a warning. We can overwrite that file or we can skip it. At the end we can see that two files were recovered successfully. If this is not working for you, or you prefer to use command line tool, then we can test the second one, which can be installed with sudo apt install testdisk. Then we can start it by using command testdisk. And first we will be asked about, do we like to get a lock for the recovered files? I don't like lock. Next we are going to be asked for using a sudo in order to see all disks. Now we need to select a disk. In my case, I would like to recover files from this disk. We can navigate using the arrows and enter. At this step we need to select a partition table type. In most cases the program will guess what is the best option for you, so I will not change that one and I will press enter. Now we need to select a partition if there are multiple partitions on this disk, and we need to change the option at the bottom to be list. Now we can see all files and folders from this partition. We need to select a folder, and all the files which can be recovered and they are permanently deleted are in red. We can select one file and press C. You can find at the bottom what are the commands. Next we need to select destination folder for the file which we copied. In this case we can select desktop, we can press C again, and we should be able to see a file on the desktop. Or in this case it's copied on the home folder because we were on the home folder. And we saw two ways how we can recover files, and also it's important note for you, if you think that a file was permanently deleted, then sometimes people can recover this file, and it's not enough to permanently delete a file in order to make it disappear from your system. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or ideas, please do share them, and see you next time.